Yes, I am going to start a lecture on a poem Keeping Quiet is composed by Pablo Neruda. About the poet, Pablo Neruda was the pen name and later legal name of this famous poet, diplomat, politician. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. He wrote in green ink, which was his personal symbol for desire and hope. His writings are simple, wherein lies their beauty. Originally written in Spanish, the essence of this poem is based on introspection and retrospection. The poet feels that some soul searching is needed for us to be at peace with ourselves and others. Introduction to the poem. The poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda, discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals, and environment. He suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. Explanation of the poem. The poet talks about the need of silence and quiet introspection and the importance of tranquility and calmness. He also talks about creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. The poet asks us to keep still and count up to 12. He also asks us to sit still for a moment. We should not speak any language. We should not move our arms so much. It will be a moment of complete silence without rush or worry. This would be an exotic moment. Then, a sudden strangeness will prevail, which we will all enjoy. It will be bliss. The fishermen would not harm the whales on the cold sea. Even the man gathering salt would stop working and look at his hurt hands and reflect at the pain and harm his strenuous task has caused him. All kinds of war must be stopped at once. The green wars against the environment, wars with poisonous gases, firearms must be stopped at once. People who are all the time preparing for wars, leaving no survivors behind, ought to find time to wear clothes and walk around with their brothers, strengthening the message of peace and brotherhood. At the same time, the poet cautions not to confuse stillness with total inactivity. Life is an ongoing process and should not be associated with death. It is to be lived with positive attitude. He does not want us to ruminate over death, but he feels that it for once we do not focus ourselves single-mindedly to keep our lives moving, but do some introspection or spend some time in silence doing nothing, we can understand ourselves better and escape from the threatening calls of death. Yes, the earth can teach us a lesson how everything comes to a dead end and comes to life again. In the same manner, a quiet introspection can bring all evil thoughts to an end and bring in a new life of peace and tranquility. Now the poet will count up to 12 and they should keep quiet and he will go. Thank you very much.